Hi loves, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today I'm coming back with another review. I have the Coach Willow Tote. This is what it looks like. So this is the front side. This is the back side. So first thing you'll notice is that the color is saddle. It's the multicolored one. So it has reddish, brownish straps on both sides. So 2 straps. And this is the tag here, the red signature Coach tag, and it does have the gunmetal hardware, which I love because you can pair it with gold or silver. And on the bottom here you'll see the feet on here are gunmetal as well, and that just helps lift up your bag so it's not just brushing up against whatever surface that it's on. It gives it a little height. It's not that noticeable, but you can see it a little bit. And I love the detailing on the sides, the binding here and here. It gives the bag a lot of structure, so it's not just gonna flop when everything's out of it, and I'll show you guys that a little bit later. So I'm gonna show you what's in my bag now. So in the first compartment, this is like a turn lock. So here I just have my water bottle, and then in the back compartment, which is like a metal, it has a metal clasp. There it goes. I have a pouch here, and inside the pouch, in case you want to know, I have hand sanitizer as well as my bottle of lotion. So that all fits in my bag. So also in the bag I also have my keys. Pretty big, I know. But I have my keys. And then in the middle section, which I love that that it has a middle section, you can unzip it. I love that this middle section is a zippered section. I have my tablet in here, so that way it doesn't just bounce around. And I also have my wallet. And I also have lip gloss, so that'll be easier to access. So what I love about this middle section as well is it's padded a little bit, so that's cool. It's also made out of fabric, and the signature, you can see it's the signature C print all the way through. I like that it's on the inside because I'm not too big on the signature print, but there's also a signature C print throughout the pouch, the middle section of the purse. And you also have your Coach authentication patch, so this just shows you that it's authentic. And inside, the interior color is red, it's like a darker red. But yeah, so the back section is closed by magnet, so if you just release it, it'll shut. The front section is a turn lock. Sorry. There we go. So the front one is a turn lock. And again, the middle is a zipper. And that is the bag. Front, that's the back. Very nice structure. I love it. And it's that nice pebbled leather. I love that because it could take a little bit of a beating. So this is what it looks like on. This bag currently retails for $2.95, and there's other colors as well. I've seen the black one. I saw a black and gray. I'm sorry, a blue and gray recently. Oh, and for height reference, I am 5'3.5". So yes, the half counts. Yeah, it's $2.95. It's still available on the Coach website the last time I checked. So don't wait too long. If you like it, go and get it. Copy one. Yeah, and this is a taupe color that I don't have. I have another color. It's not this tote. It's like 2 generations before this. But yeah, so I love it. Handy dandy. It's all leather all throughout. Well, the signature C part, I guess it would be coated canvas. So that is the coated canvas. But everything else is leather. So that's my review of the Coach Willow Tote. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.